Namaste, I'm Akshar from the Himalayas, and with me, Eric, Yoga and Spiritual Practitioner. And in today's practice, we will do yoga for depression. So very easy asanas. First asana is Baddha Konasana, where you join both feet. So knee can be up. Slowly you can build that asana. Both knees can go to the floor. And hold a pranam. Very gently, with exhale, go down and stay in this position for long. Then inhale, come back. This was Baddha Konasana. Second asana. Again, very easy. Both legs forward. Join them. Toes towards you. Look forward. Hold a pranam. And then close your eyes. Very balanced. Inhale and exhale. This is Dandasana. Third asana. Fold your legs in Sukhasana. Sukha, happiness. Sukhasana, posture for happiness. Be in this position. Close your eyes and chant Om. Relax there. So we did 3 asanas. These 3 asanas are really amazing and very powerful for healing depression. Practice these asanas daily with good discipline. A month practice will give you good results. Pranam.